I'm Faryajaman Oiko, and welcome to our C++ Beginners Free course by Dark Code. In this lecture, I will explain what is C++ and how to set up environment for C++ on Windows 11. First of all, this lecture is a little bit theoretical, but don't worry, in the next lecture, we will learn the basic structure of C++ program and run a code. So don't get bored, let's begin. What is C++? It's a general-purpose and object-oriented programming language developed by Bjarne Stroustrup. It is called general-purpose programming language because we can use it for writing code in different domains or different fields of software development. Like we can use it in game development, system software, competitive programming, and many more. C++ is an extension of the programming language C. C++ also supports classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. That is why C++ was initially called C with classes. C++ is used for object-oriented programming language because all of these things are the core parts of object-oriented programming. Now, how to set up C++ environment on Windows 11? To write a code in C++, we mainly need two things: code editor or IDE, integrated development environment, and a compiler. An IDE provides a place where you can write, edit, compile, and run code. Popular IDE for C++ are Visual Studio Code and Code Blocks. C++ is generally considered as a high-level programming language, which means human readable. It is also considered as mid-level language as it gives direct control over the things like memory, pointer, hardware-level operation. But computers don't understand them, so we need compiler like GCC, MinGW to convert the source code to machine code. In this series, we are going to use code blocks as our code editor because it is convenient for beginner as a version MinGW compiler included is available. So we don't need to install and configure the compiler separately. To install code blocks, first go to your Chrome browser. Search code blocks here. Click on the link where you see www.codeblocks.organization. Then click on Downloads. Then click the Download binary release. Scroll down. For Windows, we should find out this option. Code blocks 2503 MinGW setup.exe. Click here. Wait for 5 seconds. Then code block will start to download. The download has started. After completing download, you will see something like this. You should run the installer and you will find this on your PC screen. Then click Next. You will find the license agreement option. Click on I agree. Make sure that all of these default install options are selected. Then click Next. Click on Install and wait for a little bit. The installation will be started and it takes a little time to install. After completing your installation, click on Finish. I don't need to install code blocks this time because I have previously installed it in my PC. Click on the code blocks. Now I will show you how to run a code on code blocks. Click on the new option, click on file option first, then click on new, click on empty file. Here you can write your code, edit your code, and by clicking build and run, you can run your code here. But first, you need to save your code here. Press Ctrl S. Then, if you want to write code in C, C++, you have to give an extension .cpp, and you need to give your file name. I'm giving file name pulse.cpp, and click on the save. Now we can write code here and we can build and compile our code. That's it for today. Thank you.